In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to clear all effects from a clip, which means removing every applied adjustment and resetting it back to normal. If you've added blur, color effects, motion changes, or other adjustments and want to remove everything quickly, this is the best method. Let's start. First, select the clip on your timeline. Now right-click on the clip. From the menu, choose Remove Attributes. A window will appear showing different attributes that are applied to the clip. Here you'll see options like motion opacity, time remapping video effects, audio effects. If you want to remove everything, make sure all options are checked. Then click OK. Immediately all effects and adjustments will be cleared from the clip. You can confirm by checking the Effect Controls panel, so where all added effects will be gone. This method is very useful because it allows you to remove everything at once instead of deleting each effect manually. And that's it. You now know how to clear all effects properly using Remove Attributes in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.